Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by linking accounts. Connect Twitch to your alert service and authorize permissions. Once done, upload your graphics and sound files so they are ready to call. Make sure to name files clearly. This helps you assign them quickly later. You also pick which alerts matter most, follow, sub, donation, and set priorities. Then, create a basic alert scene in the provider. This seeds the scene URL you'll paste into your streaming software in the next step. Next, integrate the alert widget into your streaming encoder. You copy the widget URL and add it as a browser source in OBS or Streamlabs OBS, then position and scale it on the canvas. Adjust dimensions, for example 1920 by 1080 or 16:9 variants, and set a high FPS if animations need smooth playback. Make sure audio is routed correctly. Enable the source audio. Finally, customize timing, animation, and message templates so alerts match your brand and don't overstay on screen. Use the provider's test buttons for follow, sub, donation, and raid alerts. Watch the stream preview and listen to audio to confirm levels. Once satisfied, save and lock the scene in your encoder. If something breaks, first verify the widget URL is correct and not blocked by an ad blocker or firewall, and then reload the browser source to refresh the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.